everyone. Today my topic is latitudes and longitudes. Earth is a sphere and it moves around its axis. It is difficult to describe the location of a point on a sphere like the Earth. We need certain points of reference and lines to find out the location of a places. An imaginary line running on the globe divides it into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. The northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere and other half is known as southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes. Similarly, all parallels south of the equator are called south latitudes. As we move away from the equator, the size of the parallels of latitudes decreases. Important parallels of latitudes. Besides the equator 0-degree, the North Pole 90-degree north and the South Pole 90-degree south, there are four important parallels of latitudes. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Heat zones of the Earth. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and it's called the torrid zone. The angle of the sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. These are therefore called temperate zones. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the Northern Hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the Southern Hemisphere are very cold. It is because the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are therefore called frigid zones. What are longitudes? Any place, locate them precisely. We must find out how far east or west. These places are from a given line of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines of references are called meridians of longitude, and the distances between them are measured in degrees of longitude. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. They are semicircles and the distance between them decreases steadily polewards until it becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet. All meridians are of equal length. Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is called the prime meridian. Its value is 0-degree longitude and from it we count 180-degree eastward as well as 180-degree westward. The prime meridian and 180-degree meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Looking at the grid, the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. These are longitudes and this is prime meridian which is divide the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. We can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know its latitudes and longitude. Thank you.